In summary of the discussion of introduction to bones, we have ossification or osteogenesis is the process of bone tissue formation. That's just a general descriptive term about bone formation. So by the age of 25, nearly all bones are completely ossified. So the whole bones, including the cranium, the extremities, in general, the axial and the appendicular skeleton is fully formed. There are 206 bones grouped into two divisions, the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. So this is just a grouping of bone, which sums up to 206 in number. The axial skeleton consists of 80 bones, while the appendicular skeleton consists of 126 bones. That brings the number 206 bones of the body. Axial skeleton consists of bone of long axis. These are bones of long axis that runs down the center of the body, providing protection and support. And that consists of the skull, spinal column, ribs, and the sternum. Here we have only the skull, the spinal column, the ribs, and the sternum. Then appendicular skeleton consists of bones of the upper and lower limbs. That's the shoulder also, shoulder girdle, and the pelvic girdle. The bones of the extremities forms bones of the appendicular skeleton. Here we have the table showing the number of bones in the body. Starting from the skull, we have cranium, consists of 8 bones. Facial bones, we have 14 bones. Vertebral column, that's cervical vertebrae, 7 bones. Thoracic vertebrae, 12 bones. Lumbar vertebrae, 5 bones. Sacrum, which is 5 fused bones, which sums up to just 1 is a number. Coccyx has 1 bone, that 3 to 5 fused bone. Moving down to the sternum, we have 1. We have ribs, which are numbered 24. That's 12 pairs. Hyoid bone is 1. Here ossicles have malleus, that is 2 from the right from the right, and the 1 from the left. Incus we have 2. Steps we have 2. That brings the number of 80 bones in the axial skeleton. While on this other side, the bones of the appendicular skeleton, we have the shoulder girdle. Starting from the clavicle, we have 2 bones. Scapula, we have 2 bones. The upper extremities, humerus, consist of 2 bones. Ulna, 2 bones. Radius, 2 bones. That's the right and the left part, 1, 1, which brings up to 2 bones. These are in pairs, humerus, ulna, and radius. Couple bones, we have 16. Metacarpal bones, we have 10. 5 in each extremity. Phalanges, we have 28 bones, 14 on each extremities. Hip girdle, we have os cossa, that's 2 bones. Lower extremity, we have the femur, 2 bones, that's on the right and the left, which is 1, 1, bring up to 2 bones. Fibula, the same, 2 bones. Tibia, 2 bones. Patella, 2 bones. Tarsals, 14, 7 on each limb. Then metatarsals, we have 10 bones, and the phalanges, 28 bones, bringing the number 126 appendicular bones. This is just but a picture to illustrate the bones of the appendicular skeleton, and these are the bones of the axial skeleton. That marks the end of our first discussion of introduction to bones for orthopedic beginners.